or we can call it a check. So this is a 3,000 naira. The next question, August 2, cash withdrawn from the bank. Cash withdrawn from the bank. You could have seen that this is a contra entry information. I told you, don't forget that any item, when cash is withdrawn from the bank or when cash is banked, then it is a contra entry. Now August 3 says cash withdrawn from the bank. Then you wrote bank, and how much is that? It is a 1,500. Then you write August 3 cash. That is the 1,500 contra entry. Now, August 3, we have August 2, withdraw from the cash. Withdraw cash from the bank. So it is a contra entry item. Then August 3, paid rent in cash. August 3, rent we paid rent, which is 500 through cash. Rent is 500. So you know rent is an expenses. So it is paid out of the cash. So it reduces cash, start to be on the payment side, which is the credit side. Then likewise we have August 4, bought goods for cash. That is you call it purchases. You make purchases, and it is 350, which is done through cash, to be on the cash column. Then the next question, card sales. You make a sales, then you receive money from the sales. August sales, which is a cash, 370. You can see that we are filling what we call document. Then don't forget, after preparing all this, then you prepare separate account, capital account. You prepare their ledger, cash account. Then we prepare rent account. We prepare purchases account, sales account, and all the like. So this is only aspect of document principles. After it has been prepared, then you prepare the ledger for each items. Now we have August 6. The following paid us the account by check in each case, deducting 10% discount. Now I want you to take note of this August 6. They paid us the account by check. That means the money comes in. August 6. Now, here, when they paid you, it is through what? Through check. Now, they now give them discount what? Allowed. Because they paid the money promptly. And that is what brings about discount. When, we talk about discount allowed, it is from the seller to the buyer. When the buyer paid his cash promptly. So, the seller can give the buyer the discount allowed, and the discount allowed to the buyer become discount received. Now, in the aspect of this account, August, they paid us account in time, which is by check. Then we deduct 10%. So instead of here we have a below, we have adjacent, and we have Onigbinde. So instead of paying 250, 230, 440, 10 discount has been given. This is how we are going to do it. Under below, here it is, they give them 10%. They give below 10%. Instead of below paying 250, then 10% of this is 25. So 25, 250 minus 25, that is 225. So instead of below paying 250, 25 naira discount has been given. So it's supposed to pay 225, where you also write the discount, which is 25 here. So this is how we do a discount in the 3-column cash book. Now under adjusting is expected to pay 230. The same applications, 230, then 23. So 230 minus 23, that is 702. So you know it is through check. You have to know it. So now instead of him paying 230, then adjusting will pay 208. That means discount that was allowed to adjusting because he paid on time is 23 naira. Now the last, which is Onigbinde. Onigbinde also is expected to pay 440, but 10 naira discount is given to him. So 10 naira discount of 44. So 440 minus 44, that is 6. This is 9, and this is 3. So he's not supposed to pay 440 again. Discount of 44 has been given. So Onigbinde will pay 396. So that is how it goes. Then August 11, cash drawings. August 11, we have drawings, which is through cash of 380. Now August 13, we have cash purchases. August 13, put purchases. How much is 130? That will be on the cash column. Then August 15, paid rent by check. Paid rent by check. August 15, we have a rent, which is 25 naira. That is 25 naira for that. Then August 17, there is a discount here in August 17. We pay the following account by check. We pay the following. You know the other time they receive account, but when you pay account, that means you preparing the column cash book. You pay account. You pay check out of your cash book. So now here you'll be receiving what we call discount receipt. Discount receipt. But before we do it, this is August 17. And which are the names? Who are the people that we paid into? We paid Gunju. We paid Gunju. We paid Festus and Victor. Now, so maybe it might be from the purchases that the purchase transaction that was being made by them. So they have to pay to their buyer. So now they now give them 5 discounts. 5 discounts. 5% discount. That means Gunju is supposed to pay 100 naira, but he's not going to pay 100 naira again. Why? Because discount has been given. You have been given. So instead of us paying 100 naira, we won't pay 100 naira again. 5% discount. 5% discount of this is of 100 is 5 naira. So we pay 95. We pay 95, and we are given the discount of 5 naira. That is that for Gunju. Then Festus, we are supposed to pay Festus 50 naira. We are supposed to pay Festus 50 naira, but we are given the discount of 5 naira. So we are not going to pay 50 naira again. This is 25 divided by 10, that is 2.5. So we are given discount of 2 naira 50 kobo. So 25 minus 2 naira 50 kobo, we pay, this is 2, this is 1.5. So we have to pay 22 naira 50 kobo. Now, August 17, that is a true check. All the transaction it has to be on the bank column. First is 22.5. This is a 22.5. Guju is 95. Given this because it is under we are being told that it is paid through